You got the Bax Botanicals is back.
That's right. Bax is back with their Sea Buckthorn. I'm excited.
Great.
So we're going to make a Cosmopolitan. So why don't we try it on its own?
So this is a unique recipe of sea buckthorn, bitter orange, rosemary, and dry spice. I'm definitely getting the rosemary.
That's
like a
really
sage or something.
Yeah. Oh, that's really tasty. It's very savory to me.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that's the rosemary making it savory.
Yeah. Always a fan of rosemary. That might go good with chicken or something. I don't know.
Well, I'm excited to try it with the cranberry. I don't know what sea buckthorn's supposed to taste like. I don't know if it's just an aromatic and it's just part of the whole experience. I do love the design of their bottle. They have a microscopic photo of a plant cell is what this is. It looks really cool.
Sea buckthorn, I have no clue. When I looked it up, it was an orange berry that seems to have some medicinal purposes. It's found throughout Asia, in China, Nepal, but really say much about it.
Yeah, nothing is popping out like, oh, that must be the sea buckthorn.
Yeah. Yum, sea buckthorn. We've had that before. A Cosmopolitan.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yep, still getting that rosemary. It's very nice with the cranberry.
The cranberry and the rosemary is a nice combo.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's really tasty. I'm just going to keep sipping it.
That's the silence test of how long do you want to remain silent while you sip the drink, and that's the test of the quality.
I don't know, it just makes me happy. I really enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's definitely different than the lemon verbena. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this one an 8. It's tasty. I like it. I would definitely make this again. And I will definitely be making more drinks with that.
Excellent. So you found this on...
Boyson, they're having a sale right now. You can get this one, the Sea Buckthorn, with the verbena for, I think, $62. So it was a good deal to get both of them.
And you really liked the verbena?
I did like the verbena. I thought it was really refreshing. I've definitely drank that whole bottle, and I'm glad I have another one now in the fridge. In a drink, it works great, and I'm excited to try more.